Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got the app and account. Now make the first connection. Open Panda VPN, sign in, and pick a server in the country that grants access to the football stream you need. Tap Connect and watch the status change to Protected. This ensures your IP is masked and location spoofed. Once connected, keep the app running in the background. Some devices close VPN processes. Make sure battery saver is off, and notifications for Panda VPN are allowed, so it won't be killed mid-match. Once connected, optimize for live football. First, check server ping times and pick the lowest. A difference of 30-80 ms matters for streaming stability. Next, change the VPN protocol to WireGuard or OpenVPN UDP. These often give faster throughput than TCP. Then enable split tunneling so only your streaming app routes through Panda VPN. This reduces load on other apps and improves video quality. If your router supports VPN, consider installing Panda VPN there for all devices. It centralizes the connect. Start the stream and confirm you can access the match in HD. If you hit a geo block, disconnect and choose a different server in the required country, then reconnect the streaming app. For buffering, lower resolution briefly, switch servers, or toggle the VPN protocol. These quick changes often restore smooth playback. If nothing works, clear the streaming app cache, restart your device, and reconnect Panda VPN. As a last resort, contact Panda VPN support with your account details and the server you tested so they can diagnose routing or blocking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.